if you can see, everybody's all friendly and their children, and it's a very calm, nice, gentle atmosphere.
The crowd loves us. They were like screaming, and there were like little kids trying to dance with us, and it was like a great feeling for us.
My favorite part of the parade? Bringing my dog. I'm serious. I love bringing my dog and watching his reaction. He barked at the policeman. He thought the horses were big dogs. And I just think it's really funny.
Now, if you weren't able to make it out here to Silver Spring today, you may be pleased to know that local station TBD will be airing the entire parade on Thanksgiving. For District Wire News, I'm Steve Rosenberg.